Hello to everybody out there watching. This is episode 1 of the Ducati 1098 project / build series. Now, hopefully everyone's out there is doing well and staying healthy, and make sure to stay posted for the following episodes where I'm going to start really digging into the bike. Now this is kind of just going to be a walk around of what's already done to the bike and showing some of the things that I've already taken off. So for the most part, the bike is in great shape, and it was really a great deal that I got it from the previous owner. The bike has a little over 10,000 miles. Now he did lay it down in front of his house. He was working on it and he had the fairings off, so that's why this actually got damaged right here instead of the fairing, because normally this would be covered by the fairing. But yeah, that was damaged. But other than that, there's really not a lot of damage on this bike and not a lot of signs of wear. There's a little bit right there, and then on the tail. But other than that, it's in great shape, and this red just looks stunning. Now I'm going to be polishing it and probably getting a PPF done. But I mean, yeah, that's carbon fiber. This carbon fiber, all this was done by him, previous owner. Up there, that air duct cover, the key cover. Now I think I'm gonna be the gas tank cover. I think I'm gonna be sanding these down and respraying them, because actually I took the mufflers off, the Krapovich slip-on mufflers, because I know I'm going to be redoing the clear on this. And so while I was at it, I think I want to take off some of this, or all of it, and sand that down really fine and respray it, because there are some scratches, but I don't know yet if that's going to be worth my time. But yeah, it does have the Krapovich slip-on titanium mufflers. As you can see, there's a little bit of bluing, but other than that, it's stock. I mean, it still has this this ugly fender, and actually one of the lights fell off, so even if I didn't want to replace it, I would have to. But I do, thankfully, because TST Industries has a great looking integrated taillight. So that's going to be going. That's going to be gone soon, and the new one will be going on. Now it does have a upgraded clutch slave. I don't know what brand that is or what company did that, so I will have to look into that and figure out if that's any good. But it feels pretty good for having old fluid. And some more carbon there. And then the owner did, when he dropped it, he broke the shift lever, so he put some 848 lever on. I think I'm going to leave that just because it doesn't really matter to me, but I don't know yet. There's the Öhlins shock. And the pipes, I already removed the mufflers, as I said. And a little bit of damage on the swing arm, but that'll polish out. And I think I might need to put a new sprocket on. It doesn't look too great. It doesn't look like it has much meat left on it, but I will figure that out. He did actually put an anti-gravity lithium battery, so that's going to be nice, because I know the charging system on these is not really that great. Now there are some parts I already took off. As you can see, there would be these Speedy Moto sliders on. I don't really know if these are any good, but I just don't like how they look. I mean, clearly it took up some of the damage, but that's for the back, and then this one's for the front. This one looks okay. I might be putting this one back on, but I'll see with that. And it has the single seat cowl, which is super cool. And I'm definitely going to be keeping that, because I don't plan on taking passengers. Up here, standard issue. Although it does have these, I think these might be quick turn adjusters for the fork, but I'm not too sure. If anybody knows, please let me know. Company is, let's see if I can get it focused, STM. They're made in Italy, so they look pretty nice. I'm going to see as well if I can get a service kit for the Öhlins steering damper, because I know that's going to need to be rebuilt or replaced. And yeah, other than that, this is how it looks, and it'll be changing a lot for sure. It also has a Speedy Moto open clutch cover, which I will be keeping that. That looks pretty nice. I like how that looks on the bike. And it has an upgraded radiator too. I don't know what brand it is, and it actually has a radiator guard too, which is super cool. So if anybody knows what brand that is, let me know in the comments. But yeah, for the most part, it's just going to be routine service like you do on any bike you'd get. I mean, the oil looks dirty, and fluids, the master cylinder fluids are going to need to be replaced, but it's ready to go, to be honest. It doesn't need much. Now, actually, as well as me removing the servo, which I just did today, right there, it actually already had the evap canister removed. That would be right there somewhere. So yeah, it's pretty dialed already. So stay tuned for the coming episodes where I'll be installing the parts and doing some of the service that this beautiful machine is gonna need.